Hey guys, we received this gesture sensing RC stunt car for test and try. This one is a 360 degree spins double-sided hand controlled RC car. So this one is a twist control. So you have a normal control and this sensing control or the gesture control. So this is a blue color car with this normal remote, accessories, screwdriver, charging cable, and things. So for the remote, you need batteries, so it's not supplied with this. And then for the car, there is a rechargeable battery that will be there in the car and the charger. So this one is all this 360 rotation, as you can see. So this can also flip and move. The LED lights design, the sound, and then you can also see like this nice design for the color LED lights. So this all will light with the music itself. So this is the gesture sensing remote control that you can do. So it have an inbuilt battery. So you can just take this out. The protective one, put on your finger and then use. So for this you need to uh, AA batteries. So you have to supply it by your own and you can use on any terrain. So you can use the remote, you can use the gesture sensing and to control this car. And it's a fast moving car and the on and off button, and then you can do the stuff. So this is all 360 moving, any direction moving, fast moving thing, and of course like fun playing thing with the RC car. So you can control with the hand sensing and you can also control it with the remote. So hope you like this one and you can have fun as well. So it's nice car with the LED lights, music and everything.